We're here in the rolling hills of Cobbitty, and this striking home behind me has so much to offer. What would you say if I could give you 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2 large living areas spread out over 2 levels, and all of this can fit on a block that's only 10 metres wide? Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But it's not. Come with me now as we take a walk through the Savoy 29. Such a beautiful home. There is so much to love about the Savoy 29, and even though this home sits at just under 8.5 metres, you get an instant feeling of space the moment you walk through those double doors and that beautiful window on the side flooding all that natural light in. As you walk through the home, you've got a powder room on your left and the laundry on your right, cleverly located just behind the garage. You then walk into this large open plan living, dining and kitchen. And it's here that you realise just how large this home is. Flooding light in from both sides, a great connection to that alfresco outside, and there is a whopping double-storey void that adds even further natural light and a great connection between inside and out. Now, if you love to cook or entertain, this is the kitchen for you. There is so much space. Enough space, in fact, to have a great 900 cooktop. We've put 2 double oven towers here and a great sized island. There's a beautiful connection between the first and ground floor in this home, and it has a lot to do with the location of the staircase right in the centre of the floor plan. It allows us now to look over into that open plan living dining area from this, the second living space in the home. Now this is perfect for the kids. It's a great place to relax and watch a movie or do some gaming, spend some time together whilst being separated and still connected with the rest of the family. But what I really love in the Savoy 29 is the placement of the bedrooms. We've got 2 bedrooms at the back of the home, both with their own storage, of course. The third family bedroom is in the middle of the home, and that's located next to the bathroom and separate toilet. The master suite is located at the front of the home. Now this room is deceivingly large. I had to look twice because it's not actually a queen bed, it's a king bed. It shows you just how big this room is. And there's plenty of space for a separate seating area as well. And of course, there is also the master ensuite. As you can see, I'm genuinely excited about this brand new design. In fact, the whole team at Eden Brae are, because this brand new design packs a lot of punch. It has a great combination of sleeping and living zones. It's spread out over 2 levels, and it is perfect if you've got a narrow block. It just feels so nice to be inside. For you to experience the Savoy 29, I encourage you to come here to Cobbitty, where you can walk through this beautiful brand new display home. Or why not do the virtual tour online at edenbraehomes.com.au.
Sunshine.